Hey guys, it's Red Eyes here, and today we're playing some Doom. And it might be a little loud, but you guys are okay. You're tough men.
That's sexist.
Okay, you know what? You're sexist for thinking I'm sexist.
Doesn't even make
America.
sense.
Yeah, it's not very mad. I mean, very mad. Oh, and the person I'm talking to is person guy. Is anyone cares?
No.
And if yeah, I'm actually a little bit farther in this game, but I decided to start over so I could record it because it gets really hard later on. Okay, we'll left, whatever. We've lost. Where's the BFG? I need that. Oh wait, oh I don't even have it yet. No, explosive barrel. Oh, it already exploded. Never mind. Hey, first level's done. Oh! Shit. No touchy feely. That works. I want a shotgun. Get a shotgun instead. Oh wait, what was that? Oh! Kind of sneak up on me. Can't do that shit. What's around the corner? Come on. Over this corner. Oh! Shit. Okay. I want it. Front eggs? Whoa, okay. Please don't squish me. Hey, shotgun! Shotgun's my friend. Okay. Door? Oh, red door, around this corner, yeah! Booyah. Booyah. It's trapped. I knew it! Oh! Oh, I got you. I got you both. Oh, yes, yeah. Oh. Little bit of. So, if you guys wanted to subscribe, that'd be awesome. Oh my god! Also, if you guys can subscribe to Jave Gaming, that'd be awesome. So, yeah, we got some time with him. So I found out that the limit for my videos has to be 15 minutes. Otherwise it goes too long, and I guess I have to pay for it? I don't know how it works, but I am forced to obey my YouTube gods. Praise be to him known as Jacksepticeye, Thanos, Diamond Nova, and you know, the rest. Yeah, mostly. I mean, that's definitely the shit again. It's probably right. What's that? Oh! Who's shooting at me? button. You know what I love? Buttons. What's up here? Huh? What's up here? Oh, I guess not. Damn. The range on this gun is ridiculous. Oh no, fireball! Duck. Yeah, I don't want to get shot. I think I'm real close. Oh, hi, how you doing? My name's you. Quick, grab the key, lights out. Boom. Boom. Give me that shit. Oh, hey. Holy shit. I honestly didn't see that guy. Yeah, there we go. No, ammo, no. Parkour! Another guy over here? No. No, I guess it's not. I got a helmet for safety. Oh. No fireballs. Why is it that their bullets are for pistols? Yeah, it looks like they're holding assault rifles. No bullets, okay, whatever. Screw you. Barrel! No, barrel. I can see the exit. Yeah, bullets. I'm in it for that DM. Just fly your DM. And button? No, now you lied to me. I thought that was the end. Button. Yes! Well, I'm gonna stop the video here, guys. As always, see you guys later in the next video. Hope you subscribe. Maybe leave a like. That's awesome. And see you guys later when I'm blowing stuff up. In Doom.